Today I'm going to be talking on how to use the small top grip properly. The small top grip is an amazing tool to secure your topper without the use of clips and combs when it is worn properly. If you follow these steps, you will have a more comfortable feel and you will enjoy your topper without any clips or adhesives. Now, the small top grip comes in two different colors. It comes in a brown color and it comes in a beige color. When you have a topper that is transparent, meaning you can see through the base, you do want to use the beige color. If it is non-transparent, it makes no difference which color you use. Most people, if they have dark hair, they'll use the brown. If the topper has light hair, they'll use the beige. But if your topper is transparent, meaning you can see through the base, you do want to use the beige color because it does mimic a human scalp and it will look more natural. The next thing I'm going to review is the direction of the small top grip. The small top grip has a label over here and it has ribbons, one in the front and two on the sides. When you are wearing the small top grip, you want to make sure the ribbon in the front is facing upwards, just like this. So the ribbon in the front is facing upwards. That is the right direction to wear your small top grip. I'm going to review on how to secure your topper to your top grip so that it is secured properly and will stay firmly and securely on your head. But first, we're going to go through how to tighten your top grip. In order for the top grip to work, it has to fit snugly around your head. There is an adjustable translucent strap in the back of the top grip that you can use to adjust to your head size. It is really important that this adjustable strap fits securely around your head. In order to do that, you want to make sure this thin translucent strap is sitting and touching behind your ears. It is adjustable and it can get a little bit confusing on how to adjust it, and that's why I'm going to review on how to adjust this adjustable string. There is a metal 8 on the back of this translucent string. You want to hold it with your thumb and forefinger. If you are trying to make it bigger, what you want to do is pull on the single strap with your thumb and forefinger and just pull on the figure 8 with your other thumb and forefinger. This will make the strap bigger. If you want to make the adjustable strap smaller so it fits snug around your head, one thumb and forefinger should be holding the metal number 8. The other one should be holding one of the double strings. One of them moves, one does not. Pull on the one that moves and slide it the other way. This will make the string a little smaller. Once you have adjusted the translucent string, you're ready to put the topper on the top grip. If you have clips on both sides that secure into the ribbon on both sides, you do not need to realign your clips. There are many toppers that the clips are not aligned properly, and in order for it to work and fit you securely, you do want to make sure the clips are aligned with the ribbon. Here, what I'm doing is unclipping the clip from the topper and just sliding it into the ribbon on the side. I'm doing that on both sides. At the very minimum, you do want to clip the topper on the sides. It is recommended to clip it on the sides, and if you have a clip in the front, it just makes it more secure if you clip it in the front as well. Once it is clipped, you can put on your topper, slide it on your head, make sure the translucent strap is touching behind your ears, and as long as that string is snug to your head and wrapping around the circumference of your head, it will fit securely on your head. If you are being very physically active, you may want to use some of the other clips on your topper. For everyday use, you do not need to use the other clips that are on your topper. If you feel more comfortable, you can still clip some of the other clips onto your head. It is whatever makes you feel comfortable, but the top grip should make the topper secure on your head. That is why we say it eliminates or reduces the use of clips or combs. I hope this helps you in terms of putting on your small top grip securely and properly. If you have any further questions, please reach out to us, send us a message, send us a DM, and we'll be more than happy to assist you.